Hello, I saw your question. The table shows population statistics for best actor and best supporting actor at award ceremony distribution bell-shaped. So, best actors standard deviation is 45, or mean is 45. Standard deviation is 8.1. Best supporting actor, the mean is 55. Standard deviation is 14. So the numbers are a little larger. In a particular year, the best actor was 42 and the best supporting actor was 86. Determine the Z score for each. So the best actor, I call it Z sub A. You take the particular score, which is 42, you subtract the mean and divide by standard deviation, and it comes out to like minus 0.04, real close to zero. Then you want to calculate it for best supporting actor, I call it Z sub S for supporting. So you take the particular age, 86, minus the mean, divided by standard deviation, and that come out to positive 2.36. Hope this helps.